What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, welcome to this new video on Singularitynet and Agix. Just wanted to give you a full update on the technical side of things. I don't really feel like talking about the fundamentals. I mean, Singularitynet obviously still is one of the best cryptos to have invested in since the beginning of the year, first of all. And second of all, we could argue about the whole AI narrative. I think it's at least on standby. I do think it can pick back up again somewhere this year, but for now it's really done for a little. And apart from that, I mean, the market is falling like crazy. Bitcoin is dropping down quite a lot, and Agix is following that. We already had a major bearish breakout. When was it? Like Wednesday. Broke through 38 cents. Took that break retest, would have been an amazing trade. I had my short sell a little bit higher up here at around 39.5 cents, just that it was a little bit less risky. But from there dropped down and we got a lot of bearish momentum, and that caused us to also lose 35 cents as a support. So now the big question is how far are we going to drop down? And before we dive into that, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the link down in the description or in the pinned comment. There you'll find more results, for example, of the group in the last, well, we've also almost been doing it for a month. You'll find results of the group, but you'll also find out how to join. So now, Agix, it's actually pretty interesting what's happening right now, because we're not near our major support areas yet. I mean, our major support levels are around 25 cents and 20 cents, but this 30 cents level, kind of ranging from 28 and a half up to 30, is pretty strong as well. I mean, you can see historically that's a pretty strong level. It's not as strong as 25 is, I think, but it's pretty strong. So the big question is because we are this correlated with Bitcoin as well, the big question is can we actually hold that level? And is Bitcoin also at a support? As you can see, Bitcoin is nearing, I think, quite a strong support, around 19,700. And I think it's going to hold that, at least initially. That's also why I think, and this is quite a risky thing to say, but I do think that Agix is going to be able to hold that level. Now, I do have to say that these market circumstances are obviously volatile, but also with that quite unpredictable. Later today, we'll have some news coming from the US. That's going to make the market move. All right. So Agix for the remainder of today is just going to be correlated with Bitcoin. If, for example, the unemployment rate is lower than expected, Bitcoin is probably going to drop down all the way to 19,000. All right, because that's seen as bearish, even though it's bullish for you and I. But it's seen as bearish. So if that happens, Agix is not going to hold that 28 cents level. It's just not. We're going to drop down to 25 cents. And then we are going to hold 25, 24. I think it's a strong technical level. It's an even stronger psychological support level. But yeah, I mean, we have then dropped down lower. Then we have dropped down to the levels of the beginning of January. So it's really going to depend on that, and then in the weekend we will probably calm down a little bit. I will obviously keep you updated on Agix, but that's just my expectation for now. But for today is still going to be quite a volatile day. So for example, especially with the unemployment rate, but also a little bit with the non-farm payrolls, it's quite important. So yeah, we'll have to monitor that. I'll keep you updated. But for now, this is my take and update on Agix. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.